what happens during trial. So you've come this far, you've suffered through your injury and hopefully are recovering well. You've hired us as your lawyer, and now you've completed the discovery phase, the depositions, and we've tried to settle your case. Now, while settlement may be a possibility, as we approach the trial date, it's very important that you understand what's going to happen during trial. By the time you get to this point, you've got to know that we've got your back, that we're with you, and we've put your case together. The trial is about showing that case that we put together to the jury. On the first morning of trial, the judge will come in and he'll introduce the parties to the jury. And then each lawyer will have an opportunity to go through the jury selection process, where we try to weed out jurors who already have a negative feeling about your type of case. Once the jury is picked, usually will be around lunchtime, and after lunch the lawyers will give their opening statements. That's where we'll frame for the jury your case, your issues, what your case is about, and what we want them to do at the end. Following that, the plaintiff, you and us, will put on your proof. Your doctors, your family, your friends. You will testify at some point during the trial and let the jury know how this injury's impacted you. And more important than what you say is what your friends and family and doctors say, or as important, I should say. Following our case, the defense gets to go and put on their case. Your lawyers will cross-examine the witnesses put on by the defense. In some cases, the defense doesn't have any witnesses. Following the close of all the proof, there's some special time spent with the lawyers and the judges where you probably won't be involved, and we'll be doing a couple of things. Narrowing down the jury charge, the law that the jury will receive from the judge, and having some motions on what claims go to the jury. Those motions are called directed verdict motions. Once that stuff's out of the way, the jury will retake the box, and the judge will come in, read the law to the jury, and your lawyer will give the closing statements. Once your lawyer gives the closing statement, the defense attorney will go, and then we'll have a chance to go one more time. At that point, the case goes to the jury to make the determination. That's the time when you should be nervous and will be nervous. But up until that point, just have confidence that we have put your case together the best we can, and we are going to present it with precision and with accuracy to the jury to make them understand what your family has gone through because of your injury. Trials can be very scary, make no mistake, but we'll be with you the whole time, and when the jury comes back, we'll hold your hand and we'll wait for the verdict.
If you feel like everybody's against you and nothing's coming out right, and you've been hurt, there's somebody out there looking for you, and his name is Rocky.
He's a bulldog.
He's part of my family.
Very, very humble man.
And he won my judgment.
Rocky will not back down.
Rocky fought for me.
Rocky will fight for you.
Rocky McElhaney Law Firm. We fight for you.
Go get him, Rocky.
Go get him, Rocky.